Hi guys, welcome along to WALOB18 episode 18. This one is just going to be a special one on how to work out top dead center and how to create some timing marks on the VQ25DET. Now I've got my good buddy Rex here. He's going to give me a hand with the DTI. He's also got a channel, Tidy Threads. I'll put a link below. If you're enjoying my videos, you're going to love his videos as well. Lots of engineering, lots of precision, and that's why he was drafted in today to come and help. So currently we have taken off the rocker cover, we've taken out the spark plugs on this side, I've covered up the holes with a bit of glove and a hole so the air can come out, and I've cracked loose the plugs on this side. We've set up a DTI gauge, kind of magnetic base on the side here, and then we've got extension on extension to go in. Now what we're going to do is we've been playing with it. We're going to zero it out, and then I'm going to rotate the engine, and then when it gets to its highest point, we're going to know that we're somewhere near top dead center. We'll also know that because both lots of valves will be closed. So this cam is the intake cam, the other one is the exhaust cam. So what we need to be looking for is the intake cam just about to close, not just about to open. So I'll show you the next steps once we've worked that out. Take 4. So we finally got this rigged up so that it's not flexing about. I've got a bit of bar zip tied across the injector rails, and we have discovered that there are actually factory timing marks. So on this seems to be the marker, and this groove here seems to be roughly top dead center, and then we've got 2 more white marks a bit further round, slightly out of view, which you can see there. And we're thinking that these tie into this Japanese sticker which says 15 degrees. So I think that's the idle timing. It should be 15 degrees before top dead center at 650 revs. What we want though is a very, very, very accurate top dead center in order to set up the ECU. So what we're going to do, we've found a rough top dead center and we've zeroed it out. We're going to crank the engine so until the needle gets so what we're going to do is rotate the engine. That dial, the big hand, when that does a revolution of the dial, that will equate to 1 mil. So we're going to crank the engine so that does 1 revolution. We're then going to put a new mark on the dampener in line with this one. Okay, then we're going to go all the way around, and then we're going to make a mark 1 mil before we get back to our original top dead center. So then we should end up with 2 new marks on the dampener, or confirming with one of the 3 that's already there, and then our actual top dead center will be smack bang in the middle of that. So I'm going to try and prove the point now. We'll see how we go. Right, I'm calling that mission successful. And what I think was a success there is working out what these notches mean. So if we look, we got 3 engraved into the dampener. The 2 white ones we think are ignition timing marks plus 15 degrees. And then the one which isn't is actual mechanical bang on top dead center. We've gone round, we've done a drop of 1 mil, and then we've also done a drop of 1/10 of a mil, and those black lines that you can see there, those are either side of, I did it from this angle so you can see it's bang on. Those are 1/10 of a mil past top dead center, and that confirms that. So when it comes to me doing my base timing next weekend, I will probably colour in the existing white ones and then make that other white one there bright, and then I know that against that one, when I get to, or when I've got the ECU set to exactly to 0 degrees, then it will all be good. So hopefully you've enjoyed the little tech tip of how to do that. I've got to admit, before I set out doing this, I didn't know the timing marks were here. But at least I now know what they are, and we've done it pretty accurately using a DTI gauge. So big thanks to Rex. Don't forget to check out his channel, that's down there. And we'll pick up this next week again when we're actually cranking the engine with the new ECU.